Hi there, students. To rinse, a verb. A rinse, a countable noun. Okay, to rinse means to use clean water, to clean off the soap on your hands. So you wash your hands with the soap, and then they're all soapy, and then you rinse them with clear water. Or you wash the dishes, with your washing up liquid, and there's soap suds all over them. So you then put them under the tap to rinse them. Or your hair, you put the shampoo in your hair and you wash it, and then you need to rinse. You need to give it a rinse. Just to clean with water. You can rinse the dirt off something as well. Okay, so there was absolutely no soap in the house, so I just rinsed my hands. It's to wash with water, but without soap. Okay. You can rinse out your mouth. For example, you have mouthwash. And you put it in your mouth, but you don't swallow it, and then you spit it out. That is to rinse. So he rinsed his mouth. He rinsed out his mouth with mouthwash. Notice rinse out. The out just adds a bit of emphasis. Is not necessary. To give something a rinse. Give your mouth a rinse, and you'll feel better. After vomiting, he rinsed his mouth out with water to take away the horrible flavour. Or maybe if you've got a glass that you've just used to drink water out of, maybe you just rinse it with water. You don't use soap. Okay, so to rinse, to remove soap or dirt or impurities by washing something with clean water. Now we also actually have a phrase, rinse and repeat. This means the same action continually goes in the same order. So as a teacher in a language school, the students come in, you greet them, you say hello to them, you do a couple of exercises with them, you give them the outro, and then you say goodbye, and then rinse and repeat. A new set of students come in and you go through exactly the same thing. The weather around here never changes. Grey clouds and a rain, and it's cold. Rinse and repeat. One day after another, after another, after another. And this is the idea of rinse and repeat. Your washing machine probably has a rinse cycle where you put things in and just wash them with water, not with soap, just with water. And it will wash it with water and then take out the water. Okay, and this is the idea of to rinse, to cleanse by flushing with a liquid. So I think you should rinse your mouth with soap for saying rude words like that. It's normally wash your mouth out. I guess wash out and rinse out. These are both very, very close. Okay, if you get a dirty mark on something white, it's very important to rinse that as soon as possible. Okay, so to wash something without soap, to remove the soap from it. To rinse something with water without actually using soap as well. So notice, to rinse and give it a rinse. I'll give these dishes a rinse. I'm not going to wash them now. I'll just give them a rinse, and then it'll be easier to wash them later. Okay, rinse. 5 informality. Use absolutely anywhere. Regular verb. And then as to origin, it clearly comes from French rincer. Which is also an old French word, rincer, meaning to rinse. Maybe from Old Norse, heresa, meaning to clean or to purify. So, to rinse, to wash something effectively. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating. After this I'll make another video, rinse and repeat. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Rinse. Give something a rinse.